Before starting the setup, make sure the legs of your table are locked and that the linen is even all around. The cannoli station is typically a manned station, meaning a chef stands behind and operates the station. Begin with a crate in the middle of the table with the inside facing outwards towards the guests, and leaving space behind the crate for the chef to operate. Using the black metal risers, create different heights for the trays on one side and different heights for the plates on the other side. Include your pieces of decor behind these risers. Here, we are using beaded tea-light trees. You will also need some risers inside the crate to provide different levels for the toppings for the cannolis. Here, I happen to have lots of risers to create many levels, but if you are sent less risers, just make sure to have at least one element of height for the trays, one element of height for the plates, and one element of height for the toppings. Determine where you will be putting the plates. Take into consideration flow of traffic. Where will the guests be coming from? For this, we will assume guests are coming from the left, and we will be using 6-inch butter plates. Plates can differ from party to party, so make sure to refer to the checklist for the correct plate for your station. Put the plates on the different levels of risers, making sure the stacks towards the back are taller and the stacks in front are shorter. This will prevent guests from knocking them over when reaching for one. This means the empty trays will go on the right. Here, I have 3 empty trays available that will stay on the station, and the chef will place finished cannolis on them as they go. I also have 4 bowls ready, which will be taken back to the kitchen and filled with the toppings for the cannolis. These bowls can be square and wavy as shown, or round. Refer to your checklist for the correct type of bowl. The number of trays and bowls needed will vary depending on what is sent. Make sure to discuss with the chefs how many trays they need for the cannolis and how many toppings there are to determine the number of bowls needed. Lastly, place a stack of napkins at the end of the table and put out enough spoons to go in each bowl for the toppings.